today we're going on. I was gonna pick up the vlog earlier because we decided to take the mattress, put it in the living room, and have a little, you know, sleepover last night. We've been having fun, you know, hanging out and having a sleepover. But anyways, I got on here because it was a hot mess to get out the door, but we are going to our fair, our 4-H fair here in our township. And Travis and Addie are already here because they brought a goat because Addie was going to do the 4-H. But I don't think she can, so we're just going to go have some fun and hang out at the fair and ride some rides. Yeah, we got all the kids besides Gracie, so.
Yeah, it's right by us, so all we have to do is like go a couple miles away and then we're here. Baby! Mom! What?
No, we can't buy Sissy, Abby.
Kelly!
No, we can't buy Sissy, Abby.
We made it. And I got on like my cowgirl shirt and my new cowboy boots and pants and everything because we thought we were going to be doing the 4-H part. Like, we wanted to dress the part. But that didn't happen. Right, Trusty? This is Trusty's first fair. I think last time I was here I was pregnant. There, just unbuckled her, make her comfortable. And then, let's go, sister. You guys ready? Have some fun? Yep. Addie keeps getting stopped. That's funny. Travis, you know that? Look at Trusty. We're struggling over here, but we got it. That's Addie keeps getting stopped.
I don't know. What are you eating your peanut?
What? When you come to places like this with a big family, it costs a lot of money, huh, Caleb? Huh? You got a lot of kids. It costs a lot of money. You could basically go to a amusement park. We're here, Callie! It's blurry. I don't know why.
Are we getting ice cream?
You what?
We're getting ice cream? Mommy!
It's HT's thing.
Where's he at?
Autofocus. Okay.
HT.
It's right there. There we go. Now we're in focus. Now we're focused. Let's get out of focus. Caleb, get your twin one.
Thank you. That's the second time, Caleb.
Addie, tell them what you're getting.
Can I get an Oreo waffle cone? Oreo waffle cone?
Is your ice cream good?
I'll get ice cream up here.
Put it on her finger. Here, help. Don't give too much, though. It's on her nose. There you go, Sissy. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. We're about to go down the slide. I got the goat.
Mommy, I'm gonna get Matthew one of my tickets. Here we go. I can take the camera. We're all gonna race, okay?
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready
Bubby? Mama, what'd you get? Caleb, what'd you get? Woo! Put it in the stroller if you want. Come on, Callie.
I was getting mad.
Back bottom wall.
The XOXOXO.
Let me see. Ooh, kisses. Okay, we're home obviously, huh, Sissy? It's dark. It's dark for a reason because it's dark out. But I had to go stop and get this little girl formula. I'm gonna sit on the curb. This little girl formula. I figured I'd pick up a little pack of those fireworks at Walmart. And that's what we're doing now. Lighting fireworks.
Yep.
That ain't a big one where it's gonna get your sister, right?
Nope.
Yeah, it's shooting right at me.
No, it doesn't shoot. Look.
Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, there ain't no chance in that. Anyways, we just took a shower. Lighting fireworks. About to DoorDash us some food. Then I'll get back with you guys.
Fireworks.
Woo! Oh no.
Yeah.
He said we need to go to the beach.
At the beach.
What's on the beach?
I want to light a firework on a beach.
Where there's sand?
This is the one I picked. Mom, you're walking. That one was cool. I like that one.
She's what?
Did she?
Yeah. She don't care though.